How does protein work in the body? Protein is a complex group of molecules. It is responsible for a wide variety of essential functions in your body. Protein is responsible for building your hair, nails, bones, and muscles. They give tissues and organs their shape and helps them function correctly. When you are running low on calories, protein acts as the emergency energy source for the body and keeps you going beyond your usual energy stores. Protein is crucial to help you build your muscle and keep the size and shape of your muscles. Eating enough protein has been shown to lower your chances of osteoporosis and reduces the chances of your bones breaking as you age. The amino acids in your protein are essential in boosting your immune system. Antibodies in your blood are proteins that protect you from viruses and bacteria. Eating enough protein boosts your metabolism. Studies have shown that protein from plant sources helps lower blood pressure, LDL cholesterol, and therefore helps lower your risk of coronary heart disease. Protein is crucial in healing injuries as one of its functions is repairing and building new tissue. The protein in your body is responsible for moving nutrients like vitamins, minerals, sugar, cholesterol, and oxygen to the rest of your body. Some proteins even help you store nutrients like iron. It is essential to pay attention to the source of protein for maximum health benefits and minimum risk of chronic lifestyle disease. Protein from whole plant sources comes out on top in maximizing the health benefits. When you eat whole plant foods for protein, you also get vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. They are healing foods that have been associated with a lower risk of chronic lifestyle diseases. Subscribe to our channel for instant notification of new health tips.